Good morning, student. So we already prepared the question answer of the lesson first. We also prepared the question answer of the lesson second. So here is our chapter 3. I already sent you the picture of this chapter, those who are not having book. So now in this video we are going to discuss the topic. Okay. So first is what is the heading? Here is the heading is changes in the transport system. So first we have to know what is the meaning of transport. Do you have any idea that what is the meaning of transport? So transport means traveling from one place to another. Okay. Here it is written that transportation refers to the movement of people and goods from one place to another. Yeah, transportation refers to the movement of people and goods from one place to another. Due to this transportation, इसके थ्रू हम क्या लोग एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते हैं या फिर हम चीज़ों गुड्स मीन नॉट द दैट यू आर अ गुड स्टूडेंट, दैट इज नॉट अ एग्जेक्टिव हियर. इट गुड्स मीन द थिंग, जो चीज़ों को हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर ले जाते हैं. सो we use various vehicles or means of transport to go from one place to another. Yeah, in this modern time you can see some of you are having bicycle, scooter, motorcycles, cars, buses. So this is all the different type of vehicles and means of transport by we are going from one place to another. So how the means of transport work? Means of transport help us to go to school. Yeah, by the bus you are coming to school, by the bicycle you are coming to school, by the scooter, by the motorcycle you are coming to school. So to go to school, to visit your relatives and friends, or the most important, to carry goods and luggage from one place to another. So this is the meaning of transportation and how it is helpful to us. But before going to read another topic, we have to discuss that how it's come in, what is the history. We have to know the history of the transportation. Yeah, the history of transportation, it is as old as civilization. Yeah, जैसे ये जो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन है वो उतना ही पुराना है, जो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन की हिस्ट्री है वो उतनी ही पुरानी है जितनी कि हमारी सभ्यता. Yeah, so here you have seen, here in the picture is early human. So you can see that how he is looking and what he is wearing here. So early humans walked from place to place and even carried lodges. When the passes of time, they learned how to use the animal. Before, in the past time, we don't have bicycle, we don't have car, we don't have rickshaw. So that time the primitives, the man, this early human, they walked long, they have to cover long distance, they go by the foot. They don't have any idea how to use the animals and whatever, how to use and how to walk. So they walked from one place to place, and even if they have to carry something, even they also carried in their hand and they walked. But slowly with the passes of time, they learned that how to use the animal. Then they started using the animals like donkey, horses, camel as a means of transport, and on that they are carrying the lodges. But later धीरे क्या that one of the most major invention was wheel. You know, the wheel is one of the most greatest invention. Even in the present day, it is the basis of all modern day means of transportation. Yes, आज के present day में wheel का ही सबसे ज़्यादा importance है. हम देखते हैं कार, bicycles, motorcycles. So if wheel का invention नहीं हुआ होता तो ये सारी चीज़ें भी नहीं हुई होती. So who has invented that wheel? You can see in this picture, an early man is standing here, and suddenly a log of wood is coming rolling over from the mountain. So that he saw that how this log of wood is rolling. Then from here he got the idea that if I put something on this log, through this log, that thing also will come move from there. So they get idea from here and they start making wheel of the this wood. So this is the greatest invention of the early human. So from here they start making bullock carts. Bullock carts still exist in the rural area. Yes, in this modern time we have seen cars, bicycle, buses, tractors. But when you will go in the villages, still the person in those who are living there, they use the bullock carts. So this is this here in this picture. This is a wheel and bullock carts are. Or in this wheel, people can sit here, and this bullock cart is very very useful in the rural area. So after inventing the wheel, they use this wheel with the animals and they start making the bullock carts and all things. Then after this bullock cart, one more invention came in the. So one more idea came in the exist, that was bicycle. So bicycle is very very popular. You can see that bicycle in all part of our country. Even the children, when they started walking and they come in the class 3rd, 4th, they also getting bicycle from the parents. So bicycle is also very very important for us. It's lightweighted and easily we can sit on that and we can start riding. Then after bullock carts, then bicycle, and then after there was invention of engine. Yes, after the invention of engine, tractors become very very popular. Yes, after the invention of the engine, tractors become very very popular as a mean of transport. So first the early men, they invented the wheel. Then after the early human, they invented the wheel, and then after the invention of wheel, they started that wheel with the animals, and they make a carts like bullock carts and all the things they have started. So they have started bullock carts, which were the animals like cow, etc. Then after there was the invention of a bicycle, and then after the invention of engine, and in that invention of engine, tractors become very very popular as a means of transport. So in next video you can see here the means of transport. As the time passes, people started using bicycle, car, buses, train, trams, etc. as a transportation. Then here is the topic, types of transport. There are 3 main types of transport, that is land transport, water transport and air transport. So in the next video we will discuss the types of transportation, like land transport, water transport, and then after air transport. Okay, so revise. I will send the picture of this lesson, so you just revise the lesson and we will discuss this topic in our next video. Okay, till goodbye, and do the practicing of making a very very clean and good handwriting. Okay.